Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Lion King on piano. First, find middle C on your keyboard, usually the C nearest the center. Place your right thumb on middle C and your left pinky on the C an octave below. Practice a C major scale, playing each note smoothly. This foundational exercise will prepare your fingers for the beautiful melodies ahead. Remember to keep your wrists relaxed and your posture good. Let's begin with Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Start by learning the right hand melody, focusing on the notes and their duration. The main melody often uses notes around middle C. For the left hand, practice the simple chord progression, perhaps C major, G major, a minor, and F major. Once comfortable, try combining both hands at a very slow tempo, counting out loud to maintain a steady rhythm. Now let's tackle the powerful Circle of Life main theme. The iconic opening phrase, Nance Inganiama, can be played with strong, sustained chords. Focus on the rhythmic drive and the dramatic dynamic shifts. The left hand often provides a deep, resonant bass line, sometimes playing single notes or simple octaves. Practice each hand separately until confident, then slowly bring them together to capture the song's grandeur. To truly master these pieces, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice every day. Utilize a metronome to develop precise timing and a steady rhythm, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing it. Listen to the original Lion King soundtrack frequently to internalize the melodies and feel. Enjoy the journey of bringing these beloved songs to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.